Yo, what's up, fitness warriors? If you're sick of doing endless crunches and seeing zero results, you're not alone. Most people waste time on basic ab workouts that don't actually target their core the right way. But today that changes. I've got 10 uncommon ABS exercises that will shred your core from every angle, torch belly fat, and get you closer to that six-pack without a gym. And here's the best part, these aren't your boring crunches, these are next-level, scientifically proven moves that activate deep core muscles, making your abs work harder in less time. So if you're serious about getting ripped abs, hit that like button, drop emoji in the comments, and let's get started. Trust me, you do not want to skip this. 1. Dead bug with resistance band. The dead bug with resistance band is a core stability powerhouse that engages your deep core muscles, strengthens your lower abs, and improves overall core control without putting pressure on your spine. Adding a resistance band increases tension, making the movement more challenging and effective. Lie on your back with your arms extended straight up, holding a resistance band in both hands. Bring your knees to a 90-degree angle. Engage your core. Slowly extend one leg straight while keeping the other knee bent. At the same time, slightly pull the resistance band downward to increase core engagement. Hold for a second, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor, then bring your leg back to the starting position. Alternate sides. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per side while maintaining full control. 2. Bear crawl, hold and shoulder taps. This move fires up your entire core by forcing your abs to stabilize while you balance on 3 points. Unlike traditional ab exercises, it also engages your shoulders, glutes, and lower back for a full body burn. Plus, it builds coordination and core endurance, making it an absolute game changer for six-pack definition. Get into a quadruped position with your knees hovering just 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Your back should be flat, core tight, and gaze forward. Slowly lift one hand and tap your opposite shoulder while keeping your hips as still as possible. Alternate sides. The key is slow, controlled movements. If your hips sway too much, widen your stance for more stability. 3 sets of 10 taps per side. Add a resistance band around your wrists for extra tension. 3. Reverse plank leg raises. The reverse plank leg raise is an underrated core crusher that not only targets your lower abs, but also strengthens your glutes, lower back, and shoulders. Unlike traditional plank variations, this move challenges your posterior chain while demanding serious core activation to maintain stability. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight. Place your hands slightly behind your hips, fingers pointing forward. Press into your palms and lift your hips to form a straight reverse plank position. Keeping your body in a straight line, lift one leg straight up towards the ceiling without bending the knee. Hold for a second, then lower it slowly and with control. Avoid letting your hips drop. Keep your core engaged throughout. Move slowly to maximize time under tension. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Add ankle weights or hold each raise for 3 seconds. 4. Standing cable wood choppers. The standing wood chopper is a must-have core exercise that shreds your obliques, strengthens your deep core, and improves rotational power, which is key for sports functional strength and building a defined waistline. Using a cable machine or resistance band, this move engages your entire core while also working your shoulders and back. Attach a resistance band to a sturdy anchor. Stand sideways to the anchor, feet shoulder width apart. Grab the handle with both hands, arms extended in front of you. Keeping your core tight, pull the handle diagonally across your body in a smooth, controlled motion as if you're chopping wood. Rotate your torso and hips while keeping your arms straight. Control the return back to the start position, no jerking. Repeat, then switch sides. 3 sets of 12 reps per side. Use a heavier band or slow down the eccentric phase. 5. L-sit hold. The L-sit hold is one of the toughest core isometric exercises out there. It forces your abs, hip flexors, and shoulders to work overtime while keeping your entire body suspended. This move builds serious core endurance, upper body strength, and mental toughness, all while sculpting rock-solid abs. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Place your hands flat on the ground. Engage your core and shoulders, preparing to lift yourself. Press into your hands and lift your body off the floor so that only your hands support you. Keep your legs straight and parallel to the ground, forming an L shape. Hold this position for as long as possible. Tuck your knees in. One leg extended, one knee bent. Full L sit. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds or more. 6. Wall walks to hollow body hold. This killer combo of wall walks, hollow body hold builds insane core strength, shoulder stability, and full body control. Wall walks develop upper body and core endurance, while the hollow body hold keeps your abs under constant tension, making this one of the most effective moves for a shredded midsection. Begin in a push-up plank position with your feet against a wall. Start walking your hands backward while simultaneously stepping your feet up the wall. Keep moving until you reach a handstand position. Slowly reverse the movement back to plank without dropping too fast. last. Only walk up halfway and hold. Reach full handstand position, then hold for 5 seconds. Transition to hollow body hold. After completing 1 to 2 wall walks, immediately lay on your back for the hollow body hold. Keep your lower back pressed to the ground, extend your arms overhead, and lift your legs and shoulders off the floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. 3 sets of 1 to 2 wall walks, 15 seconds hollow hold. 3 to 4 sets of 3 wall walks, 30 seconds hollow hold. 7. Sliding pike to plank. The sliding pike to plank is a core sculpting powerhouse that torches your abs, improves shoulder stability, and enhances flexibility all in one move. This exercise engages your entire core, especially your lower abs and obliques, while also strengthening your arms and shoulders. Plus, the sliding motion adds extra intensity, forcing your core to work even harder. Get into a high plank position with your feet on sliders. Keep your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Engage your core and begin sliding your feet toward your hands, lifting your hips toward the ceiling. Keep your legs straight and try to form an upside-down V shape. Slowly slide your feet back to the plank position while keeping your core tight. Repeat the movement with control, no dropping your hips. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps, or slow eccentric return. 8. Single leg VUPS. The single leg V-up is an underrated core blaster that hammers your upper and lower abs while improving flexibility and coordination. Unlike regular VUPS, this variation isolates one leg at a time, making it great for lower abdominal activation and fixing muscle imbalances. Lie flat on your back, legs straight, arms extended overhead. Engage your core and keep your lower back pressed into the ground. Simultaneously lift one leg and reach your opposite hand toward your foot, forming a V shape. Keep your other leg extended and hovering slightly off the ground. Control the descent back down, keeping your core engaged. Alternate sides and repeat with the opposite leg and hand. 3 sets of 10 reps per side. 3 to 4 sets of 15 reps per side with slow eccentric movement. 9. Superman to hollow body roll. This dynamic core exercise is a full body strength builder that targets both your anterior and posterior chain in one smooth motion. The Superman hold strengthens your lower back, glutes, and shoulders, while the hollow body hold engages your abs, hip flexors, and obliques. Transitioning between these two positions challenges your core stability and control, making this an elite level core endurance move. Lie face down on the floor, arms extended overhead. Engage your glutes and lower back as you lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground. Hold for 2 seconds, keeping tension in your back and core. Without using your hands or feet, roll onto your back in one smooth motion. Keep your body tight and controlled and no flopping. Once on your back, immediately lift your legs, arms, and shoulders off the floor. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground and hold the position. After holding for 2 to 3 seconds, roll back into the Superman position and repeat. 3 sets of 6 to 8 rolls. 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 rolls with slow transitions. 10. Seated Russian twists with elevated feet. The seated Russian twist is a core-crushing exercise that torches your obliques, strengthens your deep core, and improves rotational stability. By keeping your feet elevated, you increase the intensity, forcing your lower abs and hip flexors to work even harder. This move is essential for anyone looking to carve out a defined waistline and improve functional core strength. Sit on the floor with your knees slightly bent and your feet hovering off the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Hold a dumbbell, kettlebell, or medicine ball for added resistance. Rotate your torso to the right, bringing the weight toward the floor beside your hip. Keep your core tight and your feet elevated. Immediately twist to the left and repeat the motion. Maintain controlled movement, don't just swing your arms. 3 sets of 12 reps with feet on the floor. 3 to 4 sets of 20 reps with feet elevated and added weight. That was intense. If you made it through all 10 exercises, you are a beast. But I want to know which move hit your abs the hardest. Drop the number of your favorite exercise in the comments. I read every comment, so let me know. Now listen, if you want a six-pack that actually shows your workouts are only half the battle, the other 50% your diet. You could have the strongest core in the world, but if you're not eating right, those abs will stay hidden under fat. And don't stop now. If you want to level up your results, I've got a crazy full-body fat-burning workout coming next week that will take your core to the next level. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and don't miss it. Let's keep crushing it. See you in the next one. Let's go.